digging my tails. It's traveling on my mind. You know I got that vicious feeling. It's resting on my mind. You listen to me, boy. You need that trouble. Why there ain't nothing out there in the street. She don't get a hold of it. My tail. Traveling on my mind. Oh, I got that vicious feeling. It's resting on my mind. Oh, here we go. Get out, you face. Well, I love you in the winter, but I love you in the fall. Believe me, sweet like this, and I love you best of all. I said you're digging my tail, and traveling on my mind. Oh, I got that vicious feeling, it's resting on my mind. You know I looked up to the window, I thought I heard a whine, and then I heard a voice say, woo! You dirty swine, you're digging my tail, traveling on my mind. I think I told you once before, I said I got that vicious feeling, it's resting on my mind. I have one more time for Jesus, for digging my tail, traveling on my mind. I got that vicious feeling, it's resting on my mind. Oh, take it home, boy.
Lovely to be here. Wales Millennium Centre.
Thanks very much.
And the Blush Festival. I'm just Jesse.
Lush.
Lush.
Yes, blush with an outrageous Welsh accent. Lush.
We are Railroad Bill. I got a new washboard tonight, all the way from America.
You're right, from that America, yeah.
Yeah.
Testing it out tonight.
Making up for the one that was stolen from me in Glastonbury.
So feel free afterwards to come up with your opinions and critical appraisal of the quality of the sound that comes out of the washboard. Can't promise we'll pay attention to you, but you can tell us what you like.
This is an old honey salami. What's this? Put it on the style. Start again. Feel free to sing along if you know the words. You should know by at least the third verse. Sweet 16 goes to church just to see the boys. And laughs and smiles and giggles at every little noise.
soap, ladies and gentlemen.
What do you expect?
Can't be
We're in
right.
a warehouse in New York for the last 40 years, possibly 50.
Song in the key of rock. Called Streamline Train. Fastest train that runs, hard-working train. It ain't gonna hurt me no. I'm gonna leave in the morning, baby, on that streamline train. Well, there is one thing I said, get your mind out of that thing. I went to Central Station, act just like a child. I said, my poor mama, it's a shame you're right. I'm gonna leave in the morning, lay on that streamline train. Well, there's one thing I say, mama, get your mind out of that thing. All the women down in Queenstown sure do drive me wild. Look at there. Well, now for the bunch of wine, I'm gonna leave it morning. Maybe on that streamline train. Well, that's one thing I say, mama, get your mind out of there. Thanks for the street noise and girls. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo.
Can't argue with that.
That's warmed us up now. These little pointy things on the back of my washboard are very painful, ladies and gentlemen. Do you know what they're for?
Hanging it over the side of the
Over the side of the...
basin, whatever it was they used, I don't know. On the stream.
They want a hacksaw taken to
Yeah, we'll sort those out. What's this next one? Wild About My Loving.
Yes, this is a song in which our tea chest player tells you all about the police guard that he employs to keep women from molesting him.
It's working very, very well. Thank you very much.
He's not had a sniff for what, 15, 20 years?
I don't think I had a word with them actually. I think they're being a little
They're doing far too good a job.
overzealous.
Actually, what really happened is they all retired about 10 years ago and he hasn't even noticed. But
teeth. Sweet girl, I love you, sweet enough for me. But I love you, and I like my love. And if you want me to go mine, you gotta bring it with you when you know that's how some get off now. Operator, what's wrong with my line? I'm trying to get to that sweet girl of mine. Oh, I love it, and I like my phone. And if you want to be good of mine, you gotta bring it with you when you go. Ain't no fireman, son, but I can keep you hot till the firemen come. But I'm wild about my loving, and I like my fun. And if you want me to go mine, you gotta bring it with you when you go. Let's have a little man for it now. Well, I'm wild about my loving, and I like my fun. And if you want me to go mine, you gotta bring it with you when you go. And if you want me to go mine, you gotta bring it with you when you go. Thank you very much.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen.
Your turn to do some singing now.
Indeed.
I think.
Our voices are feeling a little hoarse,
The weather.
and we require some help on this next number. All we want you to do is sing along with us on the chorus, and the words are very easy. Long, 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 gone. That's all there is to it.
Easy. Easy.
And then later in the song, you get a solo all of your own.
Where we stop and expose you.
Yes.
It's always fun.
Are you all waiting
For
to
us.
see, what you waiting to see Cats, is it tonight? What is it?
It's Cats tonight, I think, isn't
They
it?
can't see us? Quite obviously.
I have no idea there's anything going on there. Come on.
Nobody ever comes to see us. This one is about a man who lived in the old Wild West making shoes. Some people said it's a load of cobblers. We can possibly come in. It's called The Ballad of Lost John, and it goes like this. Where we sing it, join in with us. Nice and smooth.
I said, long, long, long gone.
In the morning,
Long, long, long gone.
all lost John sitting by the
The summer came around and he got out again. Anyone asked him who sang the song, but you can tell the river building he was gone. I said, long, long, long gone. Hey, long, long, long gone. Ladies and gentlemen, after one, that's it. Did somebody clear their
I
throat?
think somebody dropped a pin out the back there. Last chap, they were brilliant at this in Swansea the other week.
Thank you. I could hear them. You couldn't. No microphone.
I saw some mouths moving.
Come on, with the quality of our voices, we're all here to criticise.
Just like an assembly, ladies and gentlemen. There were three really trying hard at the front, and the rest of you just go.
Poking each other in the back and passing notes to each other in a whistle.
It's a new one.
How many of you have seen us before? Look at that. Well, this is a treat then, because this is a new song. You won't
You
know.
will, yeah, you will learn to talk.
You
You
see,
don't
It's
get
like
it.
a treat.
Yeah. We say that in the strict
I
teacher.
say a treat. Yeah.
It's very implied.
More of a surprise. It's not a shock.
A disappointment.
There's a slight disappointment, and then and a little bit of regret. But luckily, it's the same as all the others. So,
Yeah, if we hadn't told you, you probably wouldn't have noticed. Yeah.
Ready? Jeff Jr. And he starts it, so you have to no money, no money. I'm touched that he's tuning up the new one. Let's go with this. It's a great honor. You start it. I do.
I said we had money, and I swear it's true.
No, 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 no.
I said we
Thank you. Listen, you wouldn't have noticed that, would you? It's very much the same as another one we're going to do.
Yeah.
Indeed. Is it time to summon our most
Shyest member of the
shyest
group.
member?
So shy, he retired a year ago.
Somehow he's back again, just to sing you this song.
That's the thing with Roland, though. You think you get out, and we just pull them back in again.
They think they leave, but you never actually leave.
You never actually leave. You can check out.
Casey when she moans. Hate to hear Casey when she moans. Hate to hear Casey when she moans. Won't you blow? Won't you gonna blow? When I went to the depot, looked upon the ball. Went to the depot.
There's no one in this audience old enough to remember the 6-5 special. I was flattering you, don't admit it.
All of you are old enough, we know that. That was an old television show, I don't know, 1958, 1959. It was appalling, my dad said it was appalling, nobody watched it. They had a great theme tune.
Your dad had no musical taste though, he was in a skiffle band.
Exactly, this is why I ended up here. You have a choice of speed for this one. Going back the old road, you can have it 33 RPM.
Yeah, that's quite fast.
Quite fast. You can have it 45 RPM.
So very fast.
You can have it 78 RPM.
Quite frankly, ladies and gentlemen, too fast.
Far too fast. How would you like it?
Not at all.
45, they go.
Oh, a modern tempo, yes. Balance speed.
60 and 33. Now what's 45 and 33 added together, mate?
78 and a third.
It's blown his mind since he learned this fact a month ago.
You can get record players that if you press the 45 and the 33 button together, they play at 78.
Multitasking.
That's maths, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, so notes will do.
Awesome.
We're never get started this way anyway, so your claims tonight will be mine. Decided 2002 snow, it'll all sort of come some more to
It's
you.
all, yeah, we found our place in the end.
Over the points, over the points, over the points, over the points.
Over the points, 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 over the points.
Six points, nation.
Special, better not be late. The 6-5 special, that's for me. 6-5 special, honest to me. The 6-5 special, a life treat. And I'm home and listen now. Special kissing men, a 6-5 special, bring my baby to me. Well, hear the whistle blowing, to the bar. See the lights glowing, bright as a star. Hear the whistle blowing, till we can live on. All the points, all the points, all the points, all the points. Well, the 6-5 special, down the line. The 6-5 special, around time. The 6-5 special, everything is right. It's 6-5 special, tonight. And my heart beating, I'll be beating the 6-5 special.
Chiefly, the person who seems to remember this song best is that old gentleman sitting there on his son's knee. That's it. It was angeling all the way through, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for an announcement. We've got a few copies of our old CD left, for those of you who have not yet brought it. Now would be a perfect time. They're only £5 and they contain lots of lovely pictures of all of us and some music. unfortunately. Is there anyone who'd like to come forward with their fivers and give us one of those fivers now? And if you're very lucky, we might give you a CD back. Oh. Somebody reaching from their purse. Oh, he's coming his own way. What's your name, son?
Francesco.
Thank you very much, Francesco. And what's your name? She's got some of our vinyl.
It's a lovely football.
She's one of the 6. Francesco and Angie, this song is, oh, look at them all. Still they come. What's your name, sir? How old?
Right, all of you. I've forgotten everybody's name already.
Francesco, Angie, Howard and Claire. This one is dedicated to all of you. And it's called Yonder Comes a Sucker. That's the beginning of everybody now.
Railroad steamboat, girl and now. Yonder comes a sucker and he stole my gal. Now she's gone, gone, gone. She's gone, gone, gone. And I'll be done my last farewell. I fell in love with you. But when else but one, she was sweet and sweet. Till I found watch me to the railroad steamboat, girl and girl. Yonder comes a sucker and he stole my gal. Now she's gone, gone, gone. She's gone, gone, gone. And I'll be her my last farewell. I asked her mom, told her no. She was born, please let her know. Oh, he may think, but I am sure a good girl. Ladies and gentlemen, I remember when the Commonwealth Games was in Cardiff. No, I don't actually. But it was at the height of the skiffle craze, or just after the height of the skiffle craze, 1958. Yes, and it was a Commonwealth event in those days, in which Wales won the bronze medal. Yeah.
And they built the Empire Pool, is that alright?
Yeah, that's what they built the Empire Pool for. Botswana won the gold.
There's a mine of information, isn't there? What's this then? Oh, that's the chicken song.
Ah, yes, yes.
They don't look like a dancing
They
crowd, do
don't
they?
really look like a dancing crowd. There's not enough booze in it yet. But It is the tradition for this next song that the best chicken dancer in the audience during this next song wins a CD. So all of you people that just shut that far, you're all suckers for that.
It
You
is
don't have your money for a mission, yeah.
the opening number from the Lloyd Webber musical Chickens, which didn't do quite so well.
Quite so much.
Yes.
It was a foul musical. It really didn't work.
I won't say what I won't say. Andy Chicken Lloyd Webber is going to cluck through this one for you.
Yes. Yes.
No idea what this
It's
is
going to be a clucking disgrace. Right, are you ready? Chicken dancing group open prize for the chicken dancers.
If anyone dances like a chicken, you will get a free CD. I promise you that.
Because facing you're going to be the only one here tonight. Right, are you ready? After 4? 4!
One more song to do, legend. Was that the buzzer? Was that the first buzzer?
Is that a half, I think?
You're told we had to buzz off around about 7, so this is the ballad of Jesse James, as sung to me by my dad, as sung by me ever since, until I get it right.
Well, Jesse James near the state killed many men. He robbed the Union train. He stole from the rich and he gave to the poor. He had a hand and a heart and a brain. Oh, but Jesse had a wife who mourned for his life. The children, they were brave. And that dirty little cow heard the shot was out. The way Jesse James is raised. Well, it was on Wednesday night
I wonder.
Well, it was one of Jesse's men named Little.
No.
And he shot Jesse James and shot him on the
Oh, and yes, he had a wife, who mourned for his life. He children, they were great. And that little coward gets shot on his town. The way Jesse James is great. Oh, Jesse had a wife, who mourned for his life. He children, they were great. And that little coward gets shot on his town. The way Jesse James, it is great.
Thank you very much for that. Railroad Bill. Enjoy your